In today's video, we'll show you how to remove audio from a video on a Windows PC. Whether you want to mute a video for sharing or simply need it silent, we've got you covered. Follow these simple steps to get started. We will use two methods to remove audio from a video file: a software called VLC and a software that is created by Microsoft called Microsoft Clipchamp. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. Now let's see how to remove audio from video on Windows using VLC. VLC is a versatile, free tool that makes this process simple and quick, so you don't have to pay anything for using this tool. If you don't already have VLC Media Player installed on your computer, we need to go to the official VLC website. Open the browser on your Windows device. On the address bar, write VLC Download. The official site for VLC is called Videolan. Click on the first result. Click on Download VLC and follow the on-screen instructions to install the software. Open the file you just downloaded. Click Yes. Select the language of the app. I will use English and click OK. Click Next until you reach the final step. Click Install. After the installation is complete, launch VLC from your Start menu or desktop shortcut. Click on Media in the top menu, then select Convert Save. In the new window, click Add to select the video file you want to mute, then click Convert Save at the bottom. In the Convert window, click on the wrench icon next to the Profile drop-down to open the Profile Edition window. Go to the Audio Codec tab and uncheck the audio box if it's checked. Write a profile name and click Create. I will choose the profile No Audio. Now select No Audio on the profile you just created. In the Convert window, select the destination folder and file name for the new video file. Click Start to begin the conversion. VLC will create a new video file without audio. It will take a bit of time depending on the power of your PC to create the file. This is how you remove audio from a video in Windows with VLC. Now let's see how to remove audio from video on Windows using Microsoft Clipchamp. If you don't already have Clipchamp installed on your computer, go to the Microsoft Store and search for Clipchamp. Click on Get to download and install the software. Usually, this software should be pre-installed on any Windows 11 laptop or PC. Go to the file that you want to remove the audio, or you can launch Clipchamp from your Start menu or desktop shortcut and create a new project. I will just open the file with Clipchamp. You see there is a file that is now preparing. If you do not see this, you can click on the Import Media. Browse to find the video file you want to mute, select it, and click Open. The video will be added to your media library. Wait until the file is prepared. Drag the imported video from the media library to the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Right-click on the video clip in the timeline to select it. This will bring up the editing options for the video. From the menu that appears, go with the mouse over Audio. You will have the option to detach the audio file and mute the audio. If you want to simply mute the entire video, just click on Mute. Before I will continue the video, let me do one more follow-up about this option. When I was editing the video, I remembered that I did not show you how to delete only a part of the audio file with Clipchamp. Let me show you this option as well, and then we will continue with the first record. So we have a new project with the audio file not removed. We will right-click on the timeline. On the menu that pops up, we will go with the mouse over Audio and select Detach. Wait until the audio file is detached. You see on the top right that the audio is prepared. It can take a bit of time depending on the size of the video and the speed of your laptop or PC. You see now the audio has appeared in the timeline. Go over the audio timeline with the mouse and right-click the start of the part you want to delete. Click Split from the menu. Now go to the end of the audio timeline and right-click. Select again Split. You see now you have 3 fragments of the audio. Right-click on the fragment you want to delete. From the menu, select Delete. Now you have deleted only a part of the audio. You can follow from now on the next part of the video as it is the same. Now let's get back to the original record. Once you've muted the audio, click on the Export button in the top right corner of the screen. Choose the resolution you want for your output video. Clipchamp will process the video and prepare it for export. Once the export is complete, you will be prompted to save the video. Choose a location on your computer to save the muted video file and click Save. And that's it. You've successfully removed audio from your video using Microsoft Clipchamp on your Windows PC. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.